Have you ever wondered why some people just seem to click instantly, while others leave you scratching your head in bewilderment? Why does that mysterious spark seem to ignite between certain individuals, while others fizzle out like a damp firework? Well, my curious friends, you're about to embark on a journey through the captivating world of human attraction. Today, we're going to dissect the intricate science behind it all, from the chemistry that simmers beneath the surface to the sparks that fly when two souls meet. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the mysteries of attraction, the chemistry of attraction. All right, my curious comrades, let's dig deep into the nitty-gritty of attraction, the kind that happens not on paper, but inside your noggin and throughout your entire body. We're talking about chemistry, not the boring lab stuff, but the exciting, heart-pounding, butterflies in the stomach kind. So here's the deal. When you meet someone who makes your heart race and your palms sweat, you can thank your brain for throwing a fantastic dopamine party. Dopamine, the ultimate pleasure neurotransmitter, is like the party planner of your brain. It gets invited when you're attracted to someone and wants to make sure you have a blast. When you lock eyes with that intriguing person, your brain goes, "Hold on tight, we've got a live one," and releases a tidal wave of dopamine. That's why you get that warm and fuzzy feeling, like a roller coaster ride of emotions. It's nature's way of saying, pay attention, this could be something special. But it's not just about what's going on inside your head. Your body gets in on the action too. Your heart starts racing, your palms might get a little sweaty, and you suddenly have a burst of energy. It's like your entire being is shouting, "Yes, this is exciting, let's explore." So, next time you're wondering why you can't stop thinking about that special someone, just remember, it's not just magic, it's the delightful interplay of chemistry and connection. It's like having a chemistry set in your heart, and every time you meet someone fascinating, the experiment begins. Pheromones, the silent seductors. All right, let's dive into some stealthy chemistry. My friends, pheromones. Now, these aren't something you can smell in the air like freshly baked cookies, but they're at play all the time, working behind the scenes in the attraction game. Picture this. You walk into a room, and suddenly, someone catches your eye, big time. It's not their perfume or cologne. It's something deeper, something primal. What you're picking up on are their pheromones, those super subtle chemical signals we emit. Here's the kicker. Pheromones can be like Cupid's little helpers. They're our body's secret sauce for connecting with others. Research even suggests that these tiny molecules can influence who we find attractive and how we behave around them. Imagine being at a party, and there's that one person who's like a magnet, drawing everyone in. It's not magic, it's their natural scent doing some heavy lifting. Those pheromones are sending out a message that says, "Hey, I'm pretty darn interesting, come a little closer." So, even if you're not consciously aware of it, these pheromones are like tiny love messengers, carrying signals between potential matches. Next time you feel that inexplicable pull towards someone, it might just be your pheromones high-fiving each other. Shared interests and compatibility. All right, folks, let's get cozy and talk about something that can light up your relationship like fireworks on the 4th of July. Shared interests. This isn't about rocket science. It's about the things you both dig, whether that's a passion for vintage vinyl records, a love for skydiving, or a shared obsession with cat videos on the internet. Think about it. When you discover that you both have a deep affection for something, it's like finding a treasure map to each other's hearts. It's these common hobbies and interests that create a sense of connection, an unspoken understanding. When you're both into, say, hiking or knitting, you've got built-in adventures and cozy evenings on the horizon. But it's not just about the big stuff, it's the little things too. It's that shared chuckle over a cheesy joke, the heated debate over the best pizza topping, or even bonding over a mutual hatred for early morning alarms. These shared experiences make your connection unique and, well, kinda awesome. So whether it's a love for cooking, a fascination with outer space, or just an affinity for binge-watching the same TV show, shared interests are the unsung heroes of relationships. They're like the glue that holds you two together, making every moment feel like a mini adventure. the power of body language. All right, let's chat about something that doesn't involve brain chemicals, but can still send some pretty strong signals: body language. You know, the way you stand, gesture, and even look at someone can speak volumes without saying a word. Imagine this: you're at a party, and across the room, you lock eyes with someone intriguing. Now, here's where your body becomes your wingman or wingwoman. If you maintain eye contact, flash a genuine smile, and stand tall, that's like shouting, "Hey, I'm open to chatting and getting to know you." But it's not just eye contact. It's also those little touches, a friendly pat on the back, or a subtle brush of the arm. They're like secret handshakes of attraction. And let's not forget mirroring. You know, when you unconsciously mimic the other person's gestures, it's a sign that you're vibing on the same wavelength. So folks, remember that your body is a communication tool, and the language it speaks can be pretty persuasive. Positive body language can be the key to unlocking that chemistry door. So stand tall, smile wide, and who knows, maybe your next connection is just a confident gesture away. Opposites sometimes attract. All right, folks, let's dive into the whole opposites attract thing. You've probably heard it a gazillion times, but what's the deal with this cosmic matchmaking phenomenon? Imagine this: you're a night owl, staying up until the wee hours, while your potential flame is an early bird, up with the sun. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, right? Not necessarily. Sometimes these differences can be like puzzle pieces that fit perfectly together. Think about it this way: an introvert might find themselves drawn to the energy and social prowess of an extrovert, while the extrovert might appreciate the introvert's deep thinking and calm presence. It's like having your very own yang to your yin, creating a beautiful balance. Now, it's not about being total opposites in every aspect of life. It's more about having complementary qualities that enrich your connection. It's like adding a dash of spice to your favorite dish. It enhances the flavor. So, while shared interests and common ground are fantastic, don't dismiss someone just because they don't check all the same boxes as you. Sometimes, those differences can lead to the most exciting adventures and the most profound connections. It's like a cosmic game of let's complement each other's awesomeness. So while shared interests are fantastic, don't rule out someone just because they're not a carbon copy of you. Sometimes, those differences can be what makes a relationship exciting, helping both of you grow and learn from each other. It's like having your own personal adventure buddy who sees the world from a different angle. In the enchanting world of human attraction, science and emotion dance hand in hand. From the surge of dopamine to the subtle language of pheromones, there's a lot happening behind the scenes when two people connect. But don't forget the role of shared interests, body language, and the occasional charm of opposites attracting. The next time you feel that unmistakable pull toward someone, you'll know it's not just magic, it's the beautiful interplay of chemistry and connection. So embrace it, savor it, and let love's science take you on a thrilling ride.